My father was diagnosed with colorectal cancer at age 40. He passed away 10 years ago. I started having colonoscopies every other year and thought I was safe until I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer last year. As a young mother, I've been given 5 years to live. I don't want this to happen to anyone else. Doctors deserve the best tools to detect cancer. Iterative Scopes is developing artificial intelligence technology, empowering doctors to save patients like me.
So this story is real. Amy's story comes from a place particularly close to home. And how did this all happen? Amy did everything right. She received multiple colonoscopies. Yet time and again, her physicians missed signs of early colorectal cancer again and again. Even with the best of today's technology, we physicians miss up to 25% of all polyps during colonoscopy, a procedure which is supposed to be the gold standard for the detection of colorectal cancer. And why do we miss these polyps? Well, we physicians are human. We get tired. We miss things. Some of which, in this case, are particularly difficult to see. And unfortunately, for patients like Amy, what should have been a 90% chance of survival has become a less than 10% chance of survival with late-stage cancer. What should have been a $300 simple polyp resection has now spiraled into more than $250,000 for a treatment plan for advanced cancer. Well, I am Jonathan, and I'm a physician from Singapore, and I am proud to lead Iterative Scopes in our mission to ensure that situations like Amy's never happen again. And so I'd like to introduce you to Scout. Our product, Scout, uses artificial intelligence to find polyps. When Scout sees areas or detects areas which are suspicious, it invites the clinician to take a second look in real time, ensuring that clinicians no longer miss polyps. With Scout, we can find these missing polyps, reducing the incidence of cancers like Amy's by over 50%. With Scout, doctors are better equipped to save the lives of patients like Amy. With Scout, we are now poised to save the US healthcare system more than $3 billion in downstream healthcare costs. And how are we building Scout? Well, firstly, in order to power our model, we are building the world's largest set of quality endoscopic data. And in order to do this, we have partnered with physicians across the 10 best hospitals across the United States because they want to help other physicians find these polyps. And in order to ensure that we are building a tool which clinicians really want, we are spending a tremendous amount of time with our users, having spent over 600 hours in clinician interaction and having watched over 100 colonoscopies. Because we know because we know that key to our success is the user experience, and we are building a product for doctors. And who is building this product alongside with me? Well, I have gathered some of the best people I know to work alongside with me. I have a team that is extremely passionate about bringing the best of technology into healthcare. And we are advised by a world-class panel of experts in this field. Now, we have achieved a tremendous amount of momentum over the past 1 year. Our model has achieved a 0.96 F1 score. And we are moving forward into multiple clinical trials at top institutions across Boston to validate our product, including the Mass General Hospital, the Brigham and Women's Hospital, Mount Auburn Hospital, and Boston Medical Center. Because doctors cannot wait to have this tool in their hands. Now, if you can take a moment to imagine a world where the knowledge and expertise of the best doctors are at the fingertips of every single physician, no matter where they are in this world. If you can imagine a world where every single medical procedure is powered by a video intelligence platform like Scout, then join me. Because we are Team Iterative Scopes, and this is our vision. We are raising our Series A round, and we are also expanding our amazing team. And I invite you to join us in our fight against cancer. If you have heard me today, and if you're worried for yourself, if you are worried for a loved one of yours, then come and speak to me. Come and speak to me at the booth after the show today. Thank you.